When I started out as a government contractor, one of the first things my boss told me was that if you're just learning about a solicitation after it's been issued, you're too late to the game. In other words, if you haven't already spoken with the customer before they issue the solicitation, you're too late. So here's my tough love for today. I see too many of you thinking you can find a solicitation that's been posted, mail in a proposal, and win. And what I want you to understand is that the success rate from doing it that way is really low. What professional proposal writers do differently is they always speak with the customer early in the process, before the solicitation is issued, so they understand what the customer is looking for. Look, we talk a lot about the technical aspects of government contracting, the registrations, the forms you need to submit, and all that stuff is required. But I want you to understand that's not how you win a contract. That stuff, think of it as your fishing license. It's your license to hunt, but it's not the way you actually win. The way to actually win is to speak with the customer before the solicitation is issued, so you know in advance what they're actually looking for. That's why these are two of my most important videos. The first one covers who you need to meet, how to meet them, and what to say to them. And in the second one, you'll learn how to respond to sources sought notices. So watch these two videos and see your success rate explode.